Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload PDF here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Uploading a PDF in Canva is a simple process that allows you to make quick edits to the content, including text changes, image replacements, and layout adjustments without needing a dedicated PDF editor. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You see, you can start from the business template, social media, education, video, marketing, and products. You can also click on the create a design if you want to start from scratch. Now, as you can see, I'm working with a specific PDF file here. This is going to be that. This file, I'm going to download it as a PDF by clicking on File. Click on Download as PDF, Save as PDF, and then I'm going to export it to the Canva. Here, I'm going to the Upload section. I'm going to click on it. So basically, this is how you upload a PDF here in Canva. It's really a straightforward process. Okay. Now, from here, you can see you can easily customize the PDFs to match your branding or design requirements by adding logos. I'm going to the Upload section. From here, I'm adding some elements here inside the PDF file. You can add another text file here. For example, this. Okay, I'm gonna stretch this out. Want to make it like a bigger, a different font. Maybe this one. Gonna make it like around 50. I'm gonna drag this here so you guys can see it. I'm gonna drag it all the way here. I'm gonna change the effects to something like this. Right? Now, once I'm happy with it, I'm going to click on the presentation to see if my elements blend perfectly well. Now, if you have an existing PDF like a brochure, report, or presentation, uploading it to Canva lets you repurpose the content for new designs or formats such as social media posts, flyers, or marketing materials. All right. Now, after that, if you're happy with it, all you're going to do is click on the share button here in the upper right corner. You can simply click on download and choose the PDF standard, right, which is best for documents and emailing. If you click that, you have two more options like flatten PDF or include notes. Alternatively, if you click the PDF for print right here, which is best for printing, you have a third option that says crop, marks, and bleed, and click on download. All right. Now, you can simply go again to the home page right here. Now, alternatively, you can simply go to the home page right here. On the home page, you can simply click the PDF to start a template from PDF point of view. You see, all these options are for PDF document, kind of. For example, this one, free PDF guide. Okay. But of course, before you can use this template, you need to subscribe to the Canva Pro. This template contains paid elements, which is going to be good for editing. It's fully customizable, and of course, it's PDF based kind of template. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.